Hi class, let's take a look at this question here. We had this follow-up question here. I'm so confused when to use Z or T or proportion stats. I can't figure out what I'm doing wrong on this one. Okay, well, on this particular problem here, okay, we are going to be using a mean. Remember that we have two primary unbiased estimators in this course. There are really three. One is variance, which is kind of beyond the scope of this course. We're not going to talk much about that one. Mean is the big one, and then proportion is also important too. Okay, so in this situation here, how do you know? Well, if it's mean or if it's proportion, well, it depends on the kind of data you have. Okay, clearly these are not percentages, therefore proportion is not going to be applicable here. These are values, so therefore mean is going to be what I'm going to want to use. Now, when do I use Z or T? Well, again, it goes back to the rules that we've been talking about. Okay, if I know the population standard deviation, then I use Z as in zebra. If I do not know the population standard deviation and the sample size is sufficiently large, then I can use the Z. If not, my only choice is to use the T. So in this situation here, I do not know the population standard deviation. They give me the sample standard deviation, and my sample size is very small. So my only choice here is to use the T as in Tom. Now, I'm lucky because in addition to the data, they also provided me with the summary statistics, and we want a 90% CI. So let's go into StatCrunch here. Stat, T-stat, one sample with summary. The mean is 1.159. Standard deviation is 0.232. The sample size is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we want a 90% CI. Hit compute. And the lower limit is 0.989. And the upper limit is 1.329. Thank you.